What's good, everyone? This is Silver Hyena back again, and today I have something very fun I'd like to share with you. What I have is what can be summed up as a piece of my childhood. Honestly, I loved these freaking things when I was a kid. These are those fuzzy posters, those velvets. They go by many different names. But geez, when I was like 8 to 12, this was where it was at. I loved these things, and really, it doesn't matter if you're 3 or if you're over 99. Anyone can seriously have fun with these things. So this one is the cra-z-art. You've got 8 scented markers. Ooh, we getting fancy. Like, they didn't have scented markers when I was younger. Or if they did, they were ridiculously overpriced. They didn't come in this set, which I got for, I think, around $10 on clearance at Walmart. Honestly, it's been kind of sitting for a month or two since I got it, so I kind of forgot. But we've got a velvet pencil box, 2 jumbo velvet posters, 1 shaped velvet poster, 1 glitter velvet poster, 1 velvet door hanger, 2 velvet sticker sheets. I love me some stickers. And 40 gem stickers to make things extra glitzy, you know. Anyways, I also have some backups, some other cra-z-art markers. I'll see how well these ones work before I pull out my cra-z-art premium broadline markers, which are around the same thickness as these. On my other channel, you can see my review of those if you'd like. I will have a link in the description below. I know it might be kind of odd seeing artsy, crafty stuff here on this channel, but I figured that this was more of a coloring rather than my own art, which is why it's going here instead of Silver Hyena TV, which is strictly my art and only art channel, if that makes sense. Okay, now that that is out of the way, we shall begin with the unboxing. Just a minute. Alrighty. Ooh, this thing threatens to take up most of my camera space, but sorry about the lighting. My stage lights did not want to cooperate. And I forgot to get a knife for... you must just persevere. Who needs a knife or scissors? And I got these nice long nails. Come on. Oh. Okay, and it's not gonna saw through. Okay, maybe I will get a knife. Just a minute. Stupid box takes up all the room. Stupid box. Stupid tape. Okay, hopefully that does it. Ooh, this is very exciting. Total trip back to when I was a little kid. Oh my gosh. Oops. Smacked my desk lamp there / studio lights in just the same way you should smash that like button if you've ever used these or something like it before, if you've got fond memories of these things. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so how does this go again? Wow, I think they have enough plastic on here. Oh, and more of my enemy tape. Come on, camera. Focus. Okay, well, here we have the bling stickers. Oh, very nice, very nice. We'll set those aside. The scented markers, so they say. Oh, washable. So you got a not quite fine, not quite broad, just it's not really a bullet tip. Who cares? Well, it does have kind of a scent. It's not super strong, but it's there. Ooh, that's the magnet. Ooh, that's actually pretty nice. Okay. There's the other one, magnet. Those will be fun. Those are nice smaller projects. And we got the big chunk of plastic. Here's the pencil box, which it's made out of cardboard, but you get to color it in, you get to personalize your own pencil box, even though only the top part is the fuzzy stuff, which when they say mistake proof, what that really means is that only if you get it on the fuzzy stuff does it hide any mistakes, because, well, if you're like really heavy-handed or a total klutz or whatever, or if you're like me and get absent-minded, I mean, like, if you go on to another bit of the white spots, it's gonna, well, you're gonna make mistakes that you're gonna have a harder time hiding, but not that that really matters. I mean, this isn't exactly serious. These are really just for fun. So here we've got the sticker pads. They're taped together right now. I think I'm gonna keep them that way for now. Sorry, I've been having trouble with something getting in my eye all day. It has been annoying. Here's the shaped poster. Live, laugh, love. Ha! And this is the glitter poster. Ooh. You know, then I think it could go either way, really. So we got that. Oh, it's an owl. Ooh. And we have a unicorn, and I think that is it. I don't want to bend it. I don't want to bend the unicorn. Okay, so there's what we've got, and this would keep you busy for a while, so I'm gonna be breaking this up into probably a couple of videos as I color these in, and I hope that you'll either join me in watching the videos, or even just get one of these things yourself and try it out. Relive your childhood. That's what I'm doing. Because like I said, it doesn't matter your age. Anyone can enjoy these sorts of things. I think I'm going to start with the magnets and the box, especially since I need a place to put these. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to mention, I also brought these to the party. Now then, if you saw my video on my other channel, you'll recognize these as the Crayola Signature Brush and Detail dual tip markers, which I wasn't really a huge fan of when I did an illustration with them. However, I figured that for just coloring in stuff like this, they'd probably work just fine. Here, let me show you. Get that over there. Let me show you how as there you've got a very fine tip, which is good for all the little detail bits. I mean, look at that. Look at how fine a detail. Look at that. And then you've also got the brush tip, which is also very, very fine. And I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but it's evening time, and the parents are in the living room having a very, very loud conversation as they watch football. Anyways, let's get to the coloring part. First off, if you've ever gotten these fuzzy coloring things before, post below. Sadly, my brilliant 11-year-old brain thought it would be just awesome to show off my fuzzy posters in my bedroom window. This was way back long ago when I was young and unwise. 11-year-old me wasn't familiar with the concept of light fast either, so once the whole thing was faded and nasty, and I had to throw them out. Sad face. But I'll always have the memories. The things we did to entertain ourselves before the internet was mainstay. But revisiting this old childhood nostalgia, seeing how it's gone beyond just the regular posters, I love the variety. One thing I'll warn you about, be prepared for a lot of black fuzz to stick to your pen nibs. There's a reason I'm not breaking out my Ohuhu markers for this. So make sure that you use markers that you don't mind if they pick up fuzzy bits. Of course, keeping a piece of scratch paper on hand helps. Just a tip. Alright, so this is the finished pen box, marker box, whatever. I just figured that this one would be the trickiest because of the whole 3D aspect. So I just wanted to do that one first, and besides, these washable scented markers, well, they need a home, so... There we go. Perfect. Anyways, I'm probably going to do the magnets next because they're already out of the container. So join me in the next video where we color those in. Anyways, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, maybe reawoken something from your childhood, or even just sparked your interest in something that's just fun. I mean, when I was younger, we would often refer to these sorts of things as rainy day crafts. Something to do on a rainy day. This was also before the internet was mainstream, I might add. Anyways, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, or just to be nice, because. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, be sure to subscribe to my other channel, Silver Hyena TV. This is Silver Hyena, signing off. Stay creative, everybody. Bye!